sometimes in exam cue card comes like talk about a traditional food of your area, or in general questions also they may ask this particular question. So as we are in Punjab and our traditional food is makki ki roti and sarson da saag. So sarson da saag is mashed mustard leaves. So you have to speak also. क्या है ये? Mashed mustard leaves. Again. Mashed mustard leaves. मक्की की रोटी, कॉर्न फ्लोर ब्रेड. Corn flour bread. मसाले, condiments. लस्सी, बटर मिल्क. What is this? Buttermilk. Ghee, refined butter. Refined butter. Swad. Swad means it's very tasty, delectable and scrumptious. What is the word? Delectable and scrumptious. सेहतमंद, न्यूट्रिशियस. खाना बनाने की आर्ट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? क्यूलिनरी स्किल्स. क्या बोलेंगे आप? क्यूलिनरी स्किल्स. अगेन क्यूलिनरी स्किल्स. एंड क्योंकि हम नॉर्थ इंडिया में है तो ये हमारा नॉर्थ इंडिया का खाना है, उत्तर भारत का. इसे हम बोलेंगे नॉर्थ इंडियन कुजीन. क्या है ये? नॉर्थ इंडियन कुजीन. एंड ये रोजमर्रा का खाना है, स्पेशली इन विंटर्स हम सबके घरों में बनता है. तो इसलिए ये किस में आएगा? स्टेपल डाइट. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्टेपल डाइट होती है जो द डाइट विच इज consumed by people on a daily basis. Like if we go towards South in India, the staple diet is idli sambar or dosa sambar. Okay, but in North India it's chapati and pulses. But in winters the staple diet consists of mashed mustard leaves and corn flour bread, and it is quite rich in vitamins and minerals. Now one more thing I want to tell you, that if you get this particular cue card in exam, then you have to, if you want to speak it in a beautiful way, you need to use the strategies. Like I have given you a set of sentences, वो सारे आपने यूज करने हैं. और पहले 1 मिनट में आपकी कोशिश ये होगी कि आपने दी बेस्ट वोकैबुलरी पहले 1 मिनट में एग्जामिनर को सुनानी है, क्योंकि वो कई बार 1 मिनट से ज्यादा क्यू कार्ड नहीं सुनते. they will interrupt you after 1 minute only. So in exam you have to keep this in mind, that you should present yourself in the best possible manner. ठीक है. तो अगर ये क्यू कार्ड आ जाता है तो आपने इसमें एक, मैंने आपसे ये कहा था कि जब भी फेवरेट का कुछ भी आ जाए या इस तरीके का आ जाए तो चाइल्डहुड से शुरू करना. मान लो वो आपको रोक नहीं रहा एग्जामिनर, तो आपके पास आइडियाज भी तो प्रॉपर होने चाहिए ना. तो आपने ना एक फॉर्मूला फिट कर लो माइंड में कि हमेशा आपने चाइल्डहुड से बात शुरू करनी है. ठीक है. और चाइल्डहुड का एक इंसिडेंट ऐड कर देना है. ठीक है. पहले चाइल्डहुड की बात करेंगे, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड. ठीक है. ऐड एन इंसिडेंट. फिर उसके बाद आप बताएंगे व्हेन आई ग्रू अप, देन ऑल्सो, एंड एट प्रेजेंट. और उसके बाद फ्यूचर तक का आप बता दोगे एग्जामिनर को. So how will you speak this particular cue card in exam? You will say that, well, I have a strong inclination towards eating different types of dishes, and here I would like to talk about my favorite dish. Or if the cue card is traditional dish, then you will say, I would like to talk about the traditional dish of my area, and that is mashed mustard leaves with corn flour bread. Since my childhood, I am quite passionate to eat this particular dish. I remember that when I was in my school, my mother used to cook this dish for me, and at that time I really felt rejuvenated and revived. I also felt elated and delighted. I was in 7th heaven, and when I grew up, then also I was always fascinated by the idea of eating this particular dish. And I always felt elated and delighted and enthusiastic and thrilled after having this particular dish. I especially like to eat this dish with buttermilk and refined butter. And this dish is quite nutritious because it is rich in all kinds of vitamins, especially vitamin A. And a number of minerals like iron, potassium, magnesium, etc. And my mother is quite adroit and dexterous in her culinary skills, so she leaves no stone unturned to prepare this dish for me in a delectable and scrumptious manner. I think that eating this particular dish is like killing two birds with one stone, because not only it helps us to connect with our culture, but it also protects us from many diseases in winter time. And as it is well said that health is wealth, so I think this particular traditional dish is a wealth of nutrients for us. And whenever I go to any restaurant, especially in winter time, I always prefer to eat this particular dish. And in future also I'm planning to learn to cook this particular dish. It is a North Indian cuisine and mostly it is eaten as a staple diet in our country or in our area. तो आप देख रहे हो इस तरीके से मैंने क्या क्या चीजें यूज की. फॉर्मूला फिट रखो.